Really wake up this early, like 7:30, but today is a very rare occasion. You taking it out?
So it's one of these two trucks that the all new mid-engine Corvette is here.
God damn. What time is it? 8 in the morning. An unprecedented 3 hours of sleep. Hey, how's it going? Oh my god, oh my god. It's probably like way in there. God, it looks so good. Jeez, man. That looks good. Give us a walkthrough. What's happening here?
2020 mid-engine Corvette 351. This one's red. Nature's gray with the custom red interior. So pretty sick. All the way from New Hampshire. So VIN number 00433. So
I don't even know, but that sounds impressive. We're gonna take it for a spin.
Yeah, let's go take it for a spin.
Oh my gosh. 0 miles. You still got the plastic in there. Jeez. How can you say, looking at this car in person, that is mean. That looks too good in person.
Wait, let me open the trunk.
Yeah, open it.
The trunk's in the front.
Oh yeah.
Like literally a bag will fit.
Yeah, like.
You can fit maybe my gym bag in here.
Yeah, literally, you can literally just fit a gym bag in here.
That's the only thing.
Maybe two on top of each other. That's pretty much it. Or a nice, hefty travel backpack.
That is true.
And that's it. No, you can't go to the airport with this with your stuff.
No way. Shit, nothing will fix it. They even got a little button, so if someone kidnaps you, they got a little picture of it. You can run free.
If you fit in there.
The whole clear paint protection done to it.
Clear coat paint protection?
Yeah, like
yeah.
You can see like the little lines on it.
How much did this cost?
Like another $7,500.
$7,500 to get like basically like a screen protector on your Corvette. You can see the edges right here. It's like the plasticky or wrap, whatever. Which is, I mean, oh, I see it right here too. That's where it cuts. So it's essentially like a wrap.
Yeah, pretty much.
And the mirrors have them too. You can see the edge. This is not like no like scratches or anything. It's just like literally the outer layer of like a screen protector type thing. A wrap, basically. I don't know. Oh, you push and pull. Pretty easy. Hey, it doesn't have like a little gas thingy or whatever?
Nah, it's capless.
It's capless. What the hell? So if you're a Corvette person, you probably know that. Or maybe it's only in the new ones, right?
Yeah, only new ones. Well, actually, no, the old, like the C7 generations had it as well.
Oh.
But, I mean, I started off with the C7 Corvette, and they've all been capless.
They all have been capless. Tap.
You know what they call the steering wheel?
What?
It's called a squircle.
The what?
A squircle.
Squircle?
Yeah. That's what they call it.
Damn. Dude, this is like a camera, like literally no mirror.
Yeah, it's a camera.
It's dead ass, a whole ass camera. Alcantara everywhere. barely any plastic. The only plastic is this part where you take off, right? Where the roof?
Yeah, the roof comes off.
Yeah. So that is the only plastic thing. All this feels pretty good, like to the touch. I guess it's a speaker. You got the amazing engine in the back. And it just looks so much intense inside. This whole thing's just orientated to you.
Damn right, pretty dope.
Dude,
Love the red.
thank you so much. I would have never done it without
My last
your
one
help.
with the bright red, interior. I like this one better.
With
Like
this
the
one?
maroonish dipped red. just
Yeah,
looks
it's like a
more
little,
elegant.
it's like an elegant red type.
Exactly.
You know?
It just looks. The car just looks like the last one was more of a. I don't know. It looks more sporty. This one's more like elegant with the whole.
This one looks like nicely to the finish. All right, let me get out. I have no idea how to open this. Okay, yeah. YouTube videos. Put that in, man. We gotta keep it minty, mint's fresh.
Sick.
Is it closed?
No.
Oh, okay. I was expecting like a. How do you open it? You press a button here to open it. What the? All right.
Press this up. Now it's in gear. First gear. And now I'm like, where the fuck do we go? Which way do we go?
Oh, how many miles?
11. 11
Where the
miles.
hell do you see it?
Right here, at the corner.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Where's the sport mode? And there's. Oh, here it is. The activate Z
The whole
mode.
coronavirus is going on. Damn, bro, you almost ran out of it.
Forward. Damn it. Fuck. Why there's so many speed bumps here? Why there's so many fucking speed bumps? Alright.
Look at us. Look at us, lady.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to Star. Well, it's a good thing everyone's kind of out yet.
Oh, it looks. It's so weird hearing the engine in the back.
Right?
It feels like almost as if you're like just like revving it out, but you're not. It's just the engine. Let me put on my seatbelt because this thing's gonna.
Oh, what the fuck? It feels weird driving it.
Really? How weird? Like you're not driving it right type weird, or you're driving it right? It just feels weird.
I feel like I'm not driving it right.
Are you serious?
I'm not supposed to like go over 3,000 or 4,000 RPM.
Oh, then like just take it easy. It's just a cruise. We don't gotta like.
This car still needs to be like broken in, you know?
Yeah.
Kind of type of deal.
Dang. How do you feel right now? How are you feeling?
I mean, I feel pretty good. It's like a C8 Corvette.
C8.
So, the last one I got had same thing, 8 miles when I got it, brand new, and I mean, it feels the same way. It's the same car. The last one I had was a 3LTZ51. This is a 3LTZ51. I just wanted a matrix gray, and the last one I had was black. And this one, I just love the color, with the whole Morello red dipped interior.
Well, you gotta let the people know a little background. How they're gonna think you're a narcissist or like,
So
what the fuck? Why you got two already?
So I am a car dealer that inherited from my dad, pretty much.
Yeah.
So I just.
Well, no. You work with him, and then
work
it's
with
technically yours too, because you put in the work.
True. That is
Yeah,
true. That's
it's
true.
not like it was handed down.
I mean, I've always had a love for Corvettes. Like I just loved Corvettes. The whole idea of Corvettes just have been amazing to me. I've had my first one was a C7 back in 2015. When the C7 came out in 2014, so I had it the next year, and then after that I just fell in love with Corvettes after that kind of. So it's just always been my passion, to buy and sell Corvettes.
Yeah.
So, but this one's definitely a game changer.
Dude, yeah, this one's
For the first time in 50 years it's been mid-engine. Definitely a showstopper, I'll tell you that.
faux show. I'm trying to get reactions here, but these people aren't out yet.
Yeah, there's like nobody out yet.
And this Karen won't even care.
Is Walmart? Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, Starbucks is open inside. Is it?
Yeah, it's inside? I don't know if I want to go inside.
You want to go inside?
I mean, I would. Fuck it,
not?
let's go. Let's go inside. But we gotta wear our masks.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I don't have a mask. Are you sure?
We can try to go in with that one.
You think they'll trip about it?
Probably.
You think they'll be mad?
If we put our shirts over our faces. I don't.
Wait,
they're in my car.
I forgot. That's the law, right? You still gotta like wear fucking masks.
I actually don't even see nobody in there.
There's gotta be someone in there. Where should I park? Well, I'm so scared to park like this that I can't really see.
What?
But I think I
Book
should
it
be.
and hook it, brother. I don't know why I said that, but it sounded pretty catchy.
We put the. Where's the park? Oh, that's automatic. Okay.
Automatic,
Now we gotta
yeah.
press the button right here
Press the button there.
for the parking brake. There you go. Alright, so let's see. Oh yeah, there's the mode changer. It's like I'm surprisingly, I don't know why. I'm like kind of. Oh, your heated seats were on. What the hell?
Oh, no wonder my ass was feeling hot. I was like, oh, it feels pretty nice.
Let's see.
You had the AC going, so it wasn't feeling that bad.
True.
It wasn't feeling bad at all, actually. It just, I could literally just feel my, like, ass getting warmer.
Bed. Alright, I think we should be good to go. Head inside?
Yeah, let's get some Starbs, some breakfast.
Wait, no, there is a McDonald's here. There's a McDonald's here. Fuck.
We can go to that one.
Which one?
To the one that's closer.
Yeah, I'm
Oh my god, why is this Walmart so small, bro?
The neighborhood Walmart. Wait, what the fuck? Oh fuck, that was it, right? Damn.
Yeah, I mean, you can still get out from here.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh,
I
you
don't
telling
know.
me a guy that was selling this car had the virus, then he was sent home.
Well, I mean, he wasn't like in the car or anything, but you know that New York was like one of the worst states to, you know.
He just took it in, labeled it, inspected it inside.
I'm gonna be mad, bro. If I get, I'm gonna like sue the dealership.
From
Damn it, there's like nobody. Why is there nobody out?
Bruh,
It's crazy. Oh, fuck.
Saturday or oh my god, no. That would have been like reversed. Oh, and it's just drive. Oh yeah, it's drive through.
Is it drive-through only?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah. You can't go in. They all having the drive through.
No, it's open, bro.
No, it's not. It's only for employees.
This guy just went in.
All right, let's try it then.
Okay, let me park.
She's looking at us all stupid, like, what the fuck y'all
What the fuck
doing?
y'all doing?
Yeah, I
Okay.
better not be walking y'all ass in.
You sure, bro?
Yes, dude. She
let's
works. She's the one that brings the food out.
Oh, okay. Fuck it. Oh yeah, she's like, what the fuck?
Fuck, I don't know. McMuffin.
What do you typically get?
What's that called?
Hi, good morning. 1 second, please.
The corner one?
Made premium roast coffee, sausage biscuit with egg. Is that what you want?
Yeah,
How many?
one.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, can I get a sausage biscuit with egg?
Give me a second.
Okay. Okay.
God damn it.
But you can shut off the camera, and then it's just pure.
Oh my.
So it's off.
Mhm.
On.
Clip. Dude, literally dope ass sound. Who that? Who that be? It's another Karen. Early in the morning.
Okay, large window, please.
Last
Thank
2 hash browns and 2 plain biscuits.
Yeah,
Who orders that?
my typical.
What the hell?
That's my typical order right there.
Here, use mine. I got you.
Nah, bro, I got you.
Dude, it's on the back. Like, just get it.
What? No, I got you, bro.
Bro,
It's
it's like
I got
$2.
you. You good, bro?
Yo.
You good? You good?
Yeah, I get it.
Bro, why do you like this, bro?
Dude, it's just like, it's not even like a lot.
Ah,
It ain't, this ain't fuck with the chow. We're good.
these keys are like killing me in here.
Then key.
They give me another key, right? Alright, there you go.
That's where you keep the stash, right?
The stash, right? You know, the older Corvettes had a little screen that comes down.
This one doesn't?
This one doesn't. No, sadly
Okay.
they took it off.
That was low key pretty dope.
Look what hit me.
Save for later.
Yeah, I'll save it for later. Be like,
Oh my god. Can't get over this. Cannot get over this. So dope.
this is insane.
Put it in and
Team driver.
teen driver.
Oh, you can restrict it. Refer to your owner's manual for details.
Then all this 16-year-old Mats can take it for a ride. Thank you, sir.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Damn, she didn't fill it.
Bruh, what did?
Did I tell her?
Nah, I don't care. I
You
ordered
sure?
a small. I'm not a big meal person in the morning, but still. What the frick?
Oh, fuck.
Maybe they ran out.
The sound of
sound, yeah. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Damn, I'm sure more people out.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy. Yeah, like, what the fuck? Oh,
He's like, what? Go slow.
My worst financial mistake.
Alright. Oh my god,
Damn,
those
the
downshifts. Yeah, I'm like.
Is that what it's called? Backshift?
Downshifts.
Downshifts.
But you just drive it like a normal car, right? When it's automatic?
Yeah, just gas and go, man. You can put it in manual mode. We should eat like, what should we eat? Can we eat like at those tables or not?
You can't get any more American than this. Mickey D's and a dope ass vet. Hey. Hey, thank you. Communist America. Just hold on a darn minute. Who came up with this? Is that your invention? Bro, that's actually pretty smart. Actually, looks good.